In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a music bot on Discord, which means using Jockey Music Bot. Go to the official Jockey Music website and click on the Invite button. Choose the Discord server you want to add the bot and authorize it. Enter a voice channel in your Discord server and use the command prefix !! followed by play and the link of the video song you want to play, which is YouTube, of course, on YouTube. Plays the specified song from YouTube by selecting the command !play. !skip skips the current song and plays the next one in queue. !search space song name searches for the song on YouTube, and !queue shows the current queue of songs. You can also insert command, playlist command, or volume control. To disconnect the bot, use the !leave command to disconnect the bot from the voice channel. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.